In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram story on a laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Instagram.com. Sign in to your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, you may notice that some story creation features are missing on the desktop version. To access a mobile-style Instagram experience on your computer, open Google and search for the Insist browser extension. Open the extension page and click Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension to confirm. Once the extension has been installed, click the extensions icon in the top right corner of your browser and pin the Insist extension. Now click on the Insist extension and follow the setup instructions. Instagram should now open in a mobile-style layout. From here, click on Story at the top of the screen. Select the photo or video you want to upload. You should now have access to more story features, including the option to add music before posting. Choose your music, make any additional edits, and then post your story as normal. And that's how you can add music to an Instagram story using a laptop or PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.